Welcome everyone to Travel Doc. I'm thrilled to have you here. Today, we're diving into an exciting opportunity, the University of Bern. Scholarships for 2025 in Switzerland. Whether you're dreaming of studying abroad or just curious, this is for you. Let's get started. The University of Bern is one of Switzerland's top-ranked universities, known for its world-class education, cutting-edge research, and vibrant student life. Located in the heart of Europe, it offers a unique blend of academic excellence and cultural diversity. The University of Bern offers a range of scholarships for international students in 2025. These scholarships cover tuition fees, living expenses, and even travel costs. Whether you're pursuing a bachelor's, master's, or PhD, there's an opportunity for you. To be eligible, you must meet the following criteria: outstanding academic record, proficiency in English or German, depending on your program, a strong motivation letter, letters of recommendation. Make sure you check the specific requirements for your chosen program. Here is how to apply. Visit the official University of Bern scholarship page. Choose your program and check the scholarship options. Prepare your documents, transcripts, motivation letter, CV, and recommendation letters. Submit your application before the deadline. Pro tip: start early and double-check all requirements. The application period for the 2025 scholarships opens on for Henning Roelli Foundation Scholarship, 31st March 2025, and for SEMP Scholarship, varies depending on the program. Mark your calendars and don't miss this opportunity. Don't wait. Start your application today and take the first step toward an incredible academic journey at the University of Bern. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more scholarship tips. Good luck!